Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. So, I just wanted to show you what my raisins look like. Yes, my dehydrated grapes, you guys. Look at this. So does that look like boxed raisins to you? Nope. Look at these. Look at how big. Look at how big these are. Isn't that amazing? And they are soft. They are not leathery. They're nice and pliable. And these are going to come with me on my trip, you guys. I'm going to share these with the person that I am visiting. So look at that. Nice, beautiful raisins. Fresh, no preservatives, nothing added. All I did was dehydrate grapes. I have a little bowl that I'm going to start dehydrating now. I have some left over. I thought we would eat, but I'm just going to put them back in the dehydrator and start dehydrating. So look at that. So I might add some granola to this, or maybe some macadamia nuts, some hazelnuts, and make myself a nice little snack for the plane, since they don't give you snacks anymore. But there you go. Okay, and my wrist is doing better. You can barely see the bump now, and it's hurting a little bit, but it's not as bad as it was. So there you go. So I encourage you guys, if you have any grapes, I know grapes are on sale everywhere right now. So if you have any grapes, give this a try. If your kids like raisins, try the natural raisins, you guys. And try all of the different flavors. Just make sure that they're seedless. You don't want the kids to eat seeds in the grapes, even though they're really, really tiny. But all of the flavors, I have gotten the really, really sweet cotton candy ones that I absolutely love. They're only out for a couple weeks here in California. I've tried all of them. So these are the grapes that you normally see in the box. These are just black grapes. Except that you don't see raisins this big in the box, right? You see the little teeny ones. Even smaller than that one. So, and then you don't see any of the other kinds. So these are great. So all you got to do, they're great to preserve. You can have these on your shelf for the next year. All you need to do is put them in a mason jar. And not even vacuum seal it. They will stay perfectly fine, you guys, and delicious. I know they don't stay that long in my house, kind of like banana chips and apple slices. They don't stay that long in my house, but they will stay for up to a year, even longer. But I'm going to say up to a year. And if you vacuum seal them in your jar, they'll stay even longer than that. So there you go. You can even freeze these if you want to food save them, or put them in a Ziploc bag, get all the air out and freeze them. They'll stay for even longer. Put them in your refrigerator. Although in a refrigerator they'll get a little bit hard. Freezing them, you just defrost them and eat them. They'll be perfectly fine. They are delicious. So thanks for watching, you guys. The word of the day is going to be airplane. That's right. Airplane. So for my secret trip, you guys will be hearing about where my trip is to pretty soon, probably on Monday, probably early Monday morning, I would think. I will do a video, and so that's going to be the word of the day, airplane. So like the video, make sure that you're subscribed, and in the comments put the word airplane. So thanks for watching, you guys, and I will see you soon with more videos. I have all of these peaches to do before I go. Does anybody know a good, easy recipe to do with peaches? This is all I have. I was going to make peach jam, spiced peach jam, but I don't think I have enough. So I might just slice them and dehydrate them. We will see. If anybody has a really good recipe, let me know. Otherwise, it'll be peach compote or some dehydrated peaches. Okay, see you guys soon. Remember, word of the day. Don't forget to comment to win in my next giveaway mid-November. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you soon.